walk in front of my dad, okay? And when I walk in front of him, he tells me it's wrong to walk in front of him, and he pulls me back. What's the reason of this?
The reason is mentioned in the book Al-Adab al-Mufrad, compiled by Imam al-Bukhari, where Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, saw a man walking in front of another man. So he asked him, "Who's this man behind you?" He said, "He's my father." So Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, the great companion, said, "If he is your father, do not walk in front of him, do not sit before him, and do not call him by his name." Why? This is a sign of respect. When my child walks in front of me, he is disrespecting me. He's giving himself precedent, and he's more important than me. Of course, for me, it's good that he walks in front of me so that I can kick him. But politely and diplomatically, he should be always, in Arabia, we have this, alhamdulillah. When we enter a house, we see the owner of the house sitting with his guests and his children standing, refusing to sit, serving coffee, serving tea, serving things to eat. You feel proud. Oh, these are my sons. Some households you enter and you see the boys sitting on their back playing with their mobile phone, and the father is the one doing all of this. "Son, go, do this, do this." Yeah, inshallah. And they play. So this is the reason, and Allah knows best.